A Tesla spokesperson called this report wrong and that only one of the vehicles would be announced in March. The crossover could end up being the Model Y, which Tesla CEO Elon Musk blatantly hinted at in October last year. Musk tweeted a Model 3 and a Model Y. One of the two will have Falcon wing doors. Tesla Motors isn't developing one affordable electric vehicle, it is working on two. The electric automaker is set to release two variations of its Model 3, although only one will be shown at a March launch event, Elon Musk's firm has admitted. Musk quickly deleted the tweet. The Model Y would be the vehicle to complete the Model's S.3.X.Y lineup. And the CFO, J.B. Straubel, also made a few comments suggesting the Model Y will be one version is a sedan and the other is mini SUV crossover, and both will sell for about $30,000. The biggest tidbit I've heard from a second-hand source is that Tesla is readying its platform. Electric car manufacturers have to design futuristic vehicles to entice buyers in order to ride out the challenge of plunging oil prices, Musk said earlier this week. The luxury all-electric U.S. car maker, founded in 2003, rose to prominence as oil prices soared and made alternative energy vehicles more tempting. Now the fledgling industry is under pressure, said Musk. Tesla itself saw shares dive earlier this month after it reported deliveries at the bottom end of its forecast for the 2015 fourth quarter. It definitely makes the transition to sustainable energy more difficult, Musk released two different versions of its Model 3 for the March launch, said Seth Weintraub of Electrek. One version is a sedan and another is a small crossover built on the same platform. Weintraub referenced a presentation that Tesla gave at a Hong Kong meeting this week that showed both similar to the Model X, but less expensive and based on the smaller Model 3. Electrek's source said the Model Y would cost about $5,000 more than the Model 3, which is similar to the price difference between the Model S and the Model X. But there is no question that the Model 3 will be unveiled this March, and that the firm is working on another new vehicle that would share the sedan and a crossover vehicle. One version of the Model 3 is a sedan and the other is a small crossover built on the same platform. The base price for the Model 3 will be about $35,000 before government subsidies, Weintraub said when asked at a business conference in Hong Kong about the impact of free-falling oil prices. No doubt that is going to dampen interest in electric vehicles in general, Musk told the Startup HK event. Tesla is looking to recruit 1,600 software engineers to help develop Autopilot, its autonomous car IT system, and aims to, which means that it will likely cost less than the $30,000 Chevy Bolt when it's released. The article also talks about a smaller SUV or CUV that Tesla could debut following the unveiling of the Model 3. This vehicle would have Falcon doors and the same pancake electric battery platform as the new sedan. However, have a fully self-driving car by 2018. What we're aspiring to do is to make the cars so compelling that even with lower gas prices, it's still the car you want to buy, said Musk. He predicted all cars would be autonomous within the next 15 years, with steering wheels eventually just a distant memory as autopilot takes over.